My dear students, it's my privilege that I am interacting with the upcoming entrepreneurs because this activity is not very important, but whatever the models, whatever the ideas you will generate here, that is very important. So on behalf of IMT College of Management, I welcome all the students from outside and from IMT. Right now I come to know that students from JNIT is there. I request them to please stand up, the students of JNIT and GL Bajaj. Please stand up. Give a big hand for them. Welcome to IMT College, my dear students. Have a seat, please. Now, this is the spirit because getting a certificate is not important nowadays. Only thing is that whenever there is any competition, whether it is a small or very mega competition or national level competition, that hardly matters. The matter is that the business model competition, this is nowadays a buzzword. I remember one case, I will discuss the case with you. When I was in my college time, one of my classmates and senior, not classmate, his brother was my classmate and he was my senior. At that time he was doing BTech second year. And in one room, they invented one idea कि यार हिंदुस्तान में करंट की चोरी बहुत होती है, बिजली का जो करंट है वो बहुत उसकी चोरी होती है, उसकी चोरी कैसे रोकी जाए. So how to stop this? Basically engineers थे and they invented a small machine. एक मीटर उन्होंने बनाया और एक सिक्योर मीटर नाम की कंपनी उन्होंने खोल ली, पेटेंट करा के, रजिस्टर करा के. The same secure meter company of a very small town has taken over and acquired the UK based company of PRI, which was a mega giant. तो एक छोटे से कमरे से उन्होंने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी. ऐसे छोटे छोटे there are so many cases which you will not read, they are not in the books or like that, but there are thousands of cases. So the same company Secure Meter has, आप Google करना, आज जाके you Google it, you will find that the same company has taken over the UK giant PRI company and today they are having more than 75% of the stake. So the theme of the story of this competition, that this auditorium is very small. It's a very small auditorium and we have not conducted activity in our large auditorium. This is only BCA students, very limited students. Targets, audience are very limited. But one of the business idea can be click and you can take some mega or multinational corporation in one time. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, respected director sir, and we are honored, and at the same time we are thankful to you also that every time you encourage our students for such kind of activities. So good morning students, on behalf of IMT College of Management and on behalf of our respected director, I welcome you all. Especially I request all students to give a huge round of applause for our external participants from GL Bajaj, JNIT, Galgotia University, Mangalmay, Global College, and one more college who is supposed to come. I think they have not given their name. Just now, sir, I have received a phone call that they will be joining us. So it is a huge response and great encouragement to all of us for conducting such kind of activity. I compliment the remark of our director, sir. He rightly said that this is the right platform to generate the business ideas and the concepts. Sir has given the real life example of how the business idea starts from a small room. Continuing with that only, we all are aware the name of the world largest and biggest company, Apple. This Apple company started from a garage, we all are aware, and today as far as mobile industry is concerned, Apple is the market leader, world leader. Similarly, if we talk about Ola, if we talk about Swiggy, if we talk about Zomato and many more, all those companies which are leading the world today are coming from a small business idea, from a small business entrepreneur. So such kind of platform and such kind of opportunity is a huge opportunity, rather I should say, for all our young students and young entrepreneurs. You never know after a few years down the line where you are. This is the slogan of our great Prime Minister of this country, Honorable Pradhan Mantri, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Make in India, Digital India, Youth India. So a lot of opportunity is there in future. Do not miss such kind of opportunity. Yesterday only I came to know from our coordinators that sir, our students are very keen to know, Director sir, our students were very keen to know that what exactly they are getting from such kind of programs. Sir already said that the first thing which you get is the confidence, the business idea and the opportunity to present in front of such kind of audience wherein you are nurturing your talent and ultimately you are converting your business idea into a successful business model. So without wasting much time, once again I congratulate all of you for being the participant of such kind of mega event and coming with the business idea and presentation. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
So the purpose of this competition is to give young entrepreneurs a chance to showcase their innovative ideas and business models. So talking about the competition format, each contestant will have 5 minutes or 10 minutes to present their ideas, followed by a Q&A session of 1 minute from our panel of judges.
Me, Samarth Messi and my teammates Happy Singh, Ayush Sharma and Aryan Singh are present here to present our topic to all of you. Our company name is Sky High Limited and our motive or tagline is a way to achieve a futuristic and sustainable society. Now I would like to call Happy to tell us more about the company.
Thank you, Samarth, for the opportunity. So our company Sky High Limited will be a construction-based company. As we all know that 55% of population lives in urban areas. So that leaves us with the problem of great demand of apartment and house. To target that demand, our company will use AI architecture designing for designing the structure ranging from apartment to a building, and there are basically 3 elements of our company. So I would like to call Aryan and Ayush to give depth explanation about what these elements are.
Thank you, Happy, for giving me this opportunity to continue this presentation. So let's talk about what are the elements of our company. So the first element of our company is architecture designing. Architecture designing means a person demands for a modern city or the urban areas. We have seen that people are designing the buildings and the apartments which we are seeing. Basically, there are 2 types of architecture designing. First one is ancient architecture designing and the second one is modern architecture designing. In ancient architecture designing, we have seen that in the ancient time and the history, in the ancient period and the medieval period of our history, we have seen that there are many temples were built which were used by the architecture designing. But now in the modern society, we have seen that the modern architecture is being building in front of the surroundings in which we are living. Now, let's talk about the second element of a company. The second element of a company is basically the human resources. Human resources is one of the basic and major factor of all the companies which are existed in this world, because human resources means recruiting the people and telling them about the building the organization strong and based. Now it means for finding the right person for the right job at the right time with the right opportunity is the building of the human resource specifically. Now let's come on to the third element. The third element is artificial intelligence. My friend Ayush Sharma standing here will tell about the artificial intelligence in brief. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I, Vinti Bansal, with my teammates Shweta and Shivanshu, is here to present our business model. I strongly believe quality is the business plan. Thus, In our business model, we have prioritized the quality of service over quantity of service. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to my friend Shweta for explaining the further process.
Good morning, my respected deans and everyone, my friends. My name is Shweta Kumari. My company name is Classic Car Repair and my tagline is Your car deserves the best. Our motive is related to our business is that to become independent and establish easily accessible service to provide common service to all. And our mission related to our business is that to establish unicorn company and contribute to economy to India. That service provided on our website is that engine work, tire puncture, battery replacement, spark plug replacement, air filter charge, fuel filter, extreme brake representation, electrical components, radiator and cooling, and all that's all. Next is how will customer register the complaint? Firstly, customer will open our application on website. Next, the customer will enter his location. Customer will register the complaint and then customer complaint will be forwarded to customer service team and the mechanic as well. The mechanic who accept the complaint, his live location and the contact on details and the rating of our work will be shared by the companies. And next one, how to make sure to receive the complaint and fix it. Receive the complaint from the customer with the full details what type of breakdown it is. Notify the register available mechanics near around the location of the complaint. Mechanic moves to the customer. I would like to call my friend Swanshu Singh to follow up.
Now when we provide services to our customer, then the major problem is to how to take payment with them. Then there will be a two process of payment. The customer can payment online and offline as well. The payment will be according to the work done by our mechanics. I mean, if the mechanic has done servicing in a car, then the mechanic charge will be according to the work done by him. If any parts of the car is changed by the mechanic, their prices will be included according to the market prices. The customer has to pay according to the fare shown on our application. Payment will be taken by the official UPI ID or QR code or net banking. I mean, no mechanic can demand more than shown fare, total fare in the application. This is a payment module. This is an example how will we take. For example, if you change battery, then our servicing charge will be 500 and battery price. If we change brake, then we will charge 450 and the product price which I have changed. Benefits of the user. This is available on the mobile Android system and iOS system. Customer can pay from any device. The user can request a quote for service to get price estimate and book a merchant. This also offers to pick the car from the garage and then serviced and deliver from their doorstep within 2 days. Profits, if we will provide mechanic to our customer, then there will be a fixed commission to them. For example, if a normal service is done, then 75% will be the mechanics and 25% will be our commission. And in night cases, our commission will be, normal commission will be 75-25, and night charges will be 85 and 50%.
This was a module for when a car breaks down. When you need to get your car repaired at the moment where you don't have an idea where is the mechanic, from where you can get the mechanic. From our website, you would be able to contact to the nearby mechanic and get your car serviced within the 30 minutes. So, in a nutshell, I would like to conclude that you don't build a business. You find people, then they build a business. Thank you so much for your patience. Hope you have the brightest day.
Any question from judges and audience?
Any questions from judges and participants or audience regarding this presentation? No? Thank you. Thank you for your presence. Acha, you have a question? Announcement के बाद आप please बता दिया करें.
My question is, how will you get to know about the location where the car is stuck, or if you can't bring the car to your mechanical place, how will you get your equipment to him?
कार जब हम कंप्लेन रजिस्टर करेंगे, जब मैकेनिक जो भी कंप्लेनर होगा कंप्लेन, तो उसके साथ हम उसका लाइव लोकेशन भी रखेंगे कि कहाँ से कंप्लेन आया हुआ है, ठीक है? और हम वहाँ से कैसे, जैसे कि अभी हम फॉर एग्जांपल रेपिडो ले लेते हैं, रेपिडो में हम बुक करते हैं अपना लाइव लोकेशन डाल के, वहाँ के जो आसपास के जो बाइकर्स होते हैं उनको वो नोटिफिकेशन जाता है कि यहाँ पे एक आपको ड्रॉप करना है, यहाँ से एक आया हुआ है सर्विस, ठीक है? ऐसे भी हम अपने मैकेनिक्स को रखेंगे एक ऐप के थ्रू.
So firstly, I would like to say thanks to sir who gave this golden opportunity as a stage to represent our idea in front of you. So basically, my idea is on sport base. First, I would like to ask a question. Do you guys like sports? Is anyone like sports?
Yes.
Yes. I think many of us like sports. Football, how many you like football?
I love football.
So the solution is for us today for the football. As we all know that, Aman, Shukla, you can take your place. Thank you. So the problem is with football. As we all know that in our country, the dominance of cricket is very high. Everyone wants to play cricket. The cricket is the most played game in our country. But with this, the government also encouraging the football. Now the football has skipped on the 3rd number on India's sports. So we are here to provide facility for the football players who are not getting the facilities to play footballs, as footballs need equipments. Football is an expensive game. So we are here to provide the solution, and this solution can also connect with the institutions also. Institution can help to grow themselves with these kind of startup ideas of us. I would like to please come on the next page. So I explained you the problem. The dominance of cricket is very high. The football facilities are very less. But the player wants to play football, but they are not getting the stage. So we are here to provide them the stage. Can we have on next slide, please? So basically, what is our idea? As you all know that, let's take an example of IMT College of Institution. You have seen your ground. Have you ever seen your ground? Yeah, it's fully empty. Basically, if we play football there the ground could be uneven. You can have injuries while running. You cannot run properly. You can slip. So we are here to provide solution. We will construct our mini football ground. Along with this mini football ground, we provide other services too. So how we will make this empty ground a beautiful stadium for the football players? We will use the synthetic turf. Synthetic turf, or also known as, in a layman language, I would like to tell you, it's called an artificial grass. But it's a different kind of artificial grass. It would be more comfortable than the natural ground, provide you more facilities to run faster, to prevent yourself from the injuries, to show your efficiency, to show your best, and be able to play football very flawless. Okay, so we all know that there are existing futsal services, but we have innovation in this product. Only not futsal, will provide other services. I will tell you further in this. Please move on to the next slides. Next one. Yeah. So here is a graphical representation of the natural ground. As you all watching it here, there are the loopholes. They are the unevens. If someone step into it, they get injured. So it causes to the injury. So we came with the problem, the injury problem. Now the solution is this, the artificial turf. Is it looking good? So this is the solution. You will get a plain ground, a very beautiful stadium to play here, to show the best of yours. So I would like to call Afrin Fatma to explain the next slide.
There are 5 sides which is most suitable to play. Dimension is 40 into 30 yards. It is the most suitable turf for better law of games. It is a below regular size of ground as 5-a-side games. It provides the environment which is dureless. It will prevent us from injuries. It is time saving and cost effective, as we know that in a rough turf we cannot play football. Grasses are grown, there are holes, people can fall down, they get injured, they get cramps and sprain in their legs, which can even cause many injuries in future. And it helps to promote sports enthusiasm. To generate revenue, we will provide slots for booking, organization, tournaments, and providing training and yoga centers, corporate tournaments, as well as many more.
Sir and teachers, all dear my friends, thanks for giving us a golden opportunity to our team for this business model. My name is Shivam Mal and also director of this Face Choice company. I am going to tell about my company in short words. The company name is Face Choice and tagline is Face Choice is your best choice. This company based on daily uses. Dairy means milk delivery in societies. Further, our CEO will tell about the company.
Hi everyone, good morning to all of you. So, respected Honorable MD Sir, Director Sir, Dean Sir, HOD, all faculty and my fellow audience. So, I am Ashmita Srivastava, a self-motivated business leader in the world of dairy products. And I am a BCA first year student of IMT College of Management. So, firstly, you have to know that what is business. Buying and selling as a way of earning is known as business. So we are going to launch business in the form of dairy products. We will provide you dairy products. So milkmen own few cows and buffalo and sales to the customer for their uses. And a shop owner buys milk from someone and sells it to the customer. And it may add some ingredients to the milk, but we will provide you a fresh milk. And the types of dairy products we will provide you: milk, cheese, yogurt, and cream, butter, more. And you know, everyone knows that what is the benefit of milk. So it promotes calcium, vitamin D, healthy bones, and lose weight. It also reduces stress. So, but now I am sure that one question will arise in your mind, that why we will trust on your product. So, when we will you deliver the product, you can check the test of the milk by scan. We will give you a scanner with the product and you can check everything about the product with this scanner. It is relevant because we assure that we will give you 100% pure milk from fields. Everyone knows that God improves not only the health, but it also makes beautiful to your skin. There are many uses of cow milk, buffalo milk and goat milk. So So I am going to tell a story. Please listen it very carefully. मैं एक बार अपने मामा के घर गई थी. He is a rich person and he is also a business person in IT sector. उनके सन को कुछ बीमारी हो गई थी. डॉक्टर ने उनको एडवाइस किया कि इनको पैकेट वाला दूध ना पिला के इनको नेचुरल दूध पिलाएं, प्योर नेचुरल, चाहे वो काव का हो, गॉड का हो, बफेलो का है. पर उस मेनली ध्यान रखना कि गॉड का ही ज़्यादा उसको प्रेफर करें. और उनके पास वो अवेलेबल नहीं था, वो बस बाय पैकेट वाले प्रोडक्ट्स ही करते थे. देन वो बहुत परेशान हो गए थे, उनको मिल नहीं रहा था. तो फिर हमने उसी से सोचा कि क्यों ना हम ऐसा करें कि जो नेचुरल मिल्क है वो हम घर घर तक पहुंचाएं. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल अ शायरी. अनमोल रतन है दूध भैया, स्वास्थ्य बनाता खूब, दिन भर की दौड़ धूप, सेहत का रखें ख्याल खूब. तो भैया रात में पियो 1 गिलास दूध, हड्डियों को बनाता मजबूत, वो है फ्रेश चॉइस का दूध. सो कॉम्पिटिटर्स के बारे में लोकेश विल टेल यू एवरीथिंग अबाउट द कॉम्पिटिटर.
इन द सेंस वहाँ पे अगर तुम्हारे पास टाइम है तो हमारी गाड़ी आएगी, हमारे वहाँ पे सेल्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे, ठीक है. और अभी तो नॉर्मल यही है. अब हमारी एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन कैसे होगी? देखो कि हम अपने, ये हमारी मैशर्स कंपनी है, ठीक है, और हम अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को ट्रक प्रोवाइड कराएंगे. ट्रक प्रोवाइड कराने के बाद सारे एम्प्लॉयज़ के पास ट्रक जाएगा. और जैसे ओला, उबर ये काम करती क्या करती है कि अपने ट्रक्स वगैरह अपने गाड़ीज वगैरह दे देती है कि तुम्हारे ऊपर है, हैंडल है, तुम कैसे कस्टमर से डील करते हो, कैसे रहते हो कस्टमर के साथ. बस वो कस्टमर हमारे ऐप में रिव्यू छोड़ेगा, ऐसे रहेगा. हम ऐसे ही मॉडिफाइड ट्रक प्रोवाइड करेंगे. और आगे जाके हमारा ये प्लान है कि हम टाटा के साथ टाइप करेंगे. अभी टाटा के साथ टाइप करने की प्लानिंग चल रही है और हमने एप्लीकेशन भेजी हुई है और वो एप्लीकेशन अभी प्रोसीड में है. और ये एप्लीकेशन जो प्रोसीड में है, टाटा ने एक क्वेरी भेजी थी मेरे को कि हाँ कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे साथ रेडी करने के लिए क्या, फिर तुम मेरे को क्या प्रॉफिट दोगे. हम उसको क्या प्रॉफिट देंगे कि हम जो इसकी ट्रक कॉस्ट हुई थी वो ट्रक कॉस्ट की हम मॉडिफिकेशन की कॉस्ट EMI में चेंज करेंगे और EMI से उनको हम प्रॉफिट देंगे, ठीक है. और अपना प्रॉफिट हम कैसे कमाएंगे कि जो इंटरेस्ट होगा उनका वो इंटरेस्ट हम लेंगे. और इसमें क्या होगा कि थोड़ी बहुत हम इंश्योरेंस वगैरह भी प्रोवाइड करेंगे, जिससे हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस हो गया. और आगे जाके हमारी कंपनी क्या करेगी कि एक AI प्रोडक्ट लेके आएगी जो गाड़ी के अंदर पुट करेगी. वो पुट क्या करेगी गाड़ी के अंदर करेगी कि जैसे एक्सीडेंट केसेस वगैरह होते हैं, हमारी कंपनी खुद प्रोवाइड करेगी. एक्सीडेंट केसेस होते हैं कि जहाँ पे भी कार का एक्सीडेंट हुआ है या कोई ड्रंक एंड ड्राइव कर रहा है, किसी को वो मॉडिफाइड करवानी है, हाँ कि भाई मेरे अंदर परमिशन है कि तुम कर सकते, ठीक है. तो हम ड्रंक एंड ड्राइव है तो जब तक वो गाड़ी जब तक वो बंदा बिना ड्रंक की गाड़ी नहीं चलाएगा तब तक वो गाड़ी चालू नहीं होगी. हम वो सिस्टम भी इस गाड़ी में प्रोवाइड करा करेंगे ऑपरेटर, ताकि कोई मैकेनिक हमारा कोई ड्रंक ना करे, तो कोई ऐसे सेफ, हम ज़्यादा हर जगह सेफ